Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video details how to effectively automate your drone route using DroneDeploy. Whether you are mapping, inspecting or creating stunning area visuals, this guide will set you up for success. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more drone tips, tutorial and reviews. Let's dive right in. DroneDeploy is a powerful platform that allows you to create automated flight plans, collect data, and analyze it with precision. It's perfect for industries like agriculture, construction, real estate, and more. But before we can start flying, let's plan our route first. Automating your drone flight with DroneDeploy is quite a simple task. You begin by heading over to your browser. Type the DroneDeploy in the search bar, click on the first icon. You head over to your login tab to log in and sign up if you're a new user to the application, which is very crucial for drone survey and mapping. We begin by creating a new project. Name our project, set the appropriate coordinate system, hit on control. You advance to create the type of flight plan you would like to use. There's a manual option where we add our details manually, and there's a map and model options. This helps to automate our project with a base map and a 3D model as the end result. You go on ahead to select the standard and our polygon, our area of interest, is zoomed in based on our location. Take note, there are two ways of planning our automated flight route. The first way is to manually left click at the edges of the point and move them to our desired area, which is quite the normal way which we mostly capture our data. The second way is to go at the bottom left part of the screen and import your area of interest. So you navigate under the flight tab, come to import KML or shapefile, click the drop down arrow, hit on file, navigate to KML file that was created, select file, subsequently click on open. When the file has been imported or created manually, you can left click on the various edges to change or adjust the flight plan. You can likewise left click in between the major axis to create an external vertex. We held on to our setting. The first tab, which is noteworthy of mention, is the flying altitude. The higher you go, the higher your isolation or your pixel size. So you can see here the flying height is 60. You can likewise adjust it to suit whatever it is you want to capture. Realize upon changing the flight height, the resolution increases. So the higher flight height, the higher the resolution. The enhanced 3D is usually required for mapping in 3D, or if you want to create a 3D model. But for the purpose of this video, we just want to create a 3D model. We head over to our advanced tab. Defaultly, the automated settings for capturing automated flight is 80 front overlap and 80 side overlap. In the event you don't want this, you can uncheck this and manually adjust your front and side overlap. The flight direction is set to an angle or a bearing which is most efficient for the data capture. The mapping flight speed is usually set to the highest. By the event you don't want it going fast, you can manually adjust it to suit your preference. Take note that the lower it goes, the more time it will take to capture the data. Every flight plan has a start and an end point. By the event you wouldn't want to start at the beginning or where the software automatically chooses. You can highlight and drag it to your point of interest. This is useful when capturing data and it stops midway, or there's a malfunction and it stops halfway. You can use these settings to automatically adjust where the flight should continue. The perimeter survey is a feature that allows you to capture extra data by the drone going around the boundary of the area created when it's done capturing your image. It is very important to make sure to keep your obstacle avoidance on to prevent the drone from running into objects or features high above the sky. Now the settings are in place. We exit our advanced settings and head back to the main page. And that's all, guys. Planning a drone route using DroneDeploy is that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe and leave a comment below. Let me know what you'd like to learn next. Until then, happy flying. Thanks for watching next week's tutorial. See you in the next video.